Here it goes. Yep, that's where it flew away. There's a turkey vulture flying to the left. And there's the rest of these white ibises taking off to their homes as well. Yep. I'm gonna continue reading that book. So once I become a good reader and a good remembering of everything, I will go to the DMV, take this test on a piece of paper, so I could get my learner's permit and practice learning how to drive. That is official. Let's still shine the light and defeat darkness. So therefore, that's gonna be it. Like and subscribe. May the eagles and horses be with all of you. And may Jesus Christ, the Lord and Savior, be with all of us, always and forever.